We are going to go over your checklist today, and then I'm going to spend a little bit of time going through all of your different slides. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to do the digraph puzzlers that we've went over before. Then you're going to go through common versus proper nouns, and then the last thing you're going to do is your math review. Please remember to do iReady, reading and math, and working on your sight words in Google Classroom. Okay, so just a reminder for these digraph puzzlers, okay? You are using this key up here to help you, okay? So I will do this one with you to help you. So I know I need to move a P over for pizza. So I'm going to find my P. I'm going to move it over to the pizza. Okay, sorry about that. And then I'm going to put the U over for underwear. And then I'm going to put the N over for necklace. And then I'm going to put the CH over for chair. I'm going to grab a C, and I'm going to grab an H. Oh, moving my whole thing. I'll move an H. Okay. So now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to look for the word that has all of these letters in it. And once I find it, I found punch. I'm going to put that circle over it, and then I'm going to type it in this box right here, okay? And that's all you have to do. Once you have it done, I want you to tap out the word, okay? You're going to do a couple of those on your own. Okay, common versus proper nouns, okay? It says read the word and find the noun. Drag the red oval over the noun. So here is the red oval. So you're going to read all of these words, and you're going to find the one that is a noun. A reminder, a noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. Okay, person, place, thing, or animal. So look for one of those words. We have first, funny, find, fancy, fan, or for. And then it says, is the noun that you found common or proper? Drag the star to the correct answer. So if it's common, it's one that we use every day. It doesn't start with a capital letter. If it's proper, it's a name or something like that. We would use a capital letter. So you're going to move the star if it's common or proper. Same thing. I'll read the words for you. You're going to find the noun swim, so, Sam, some, said, and sad. And then move the star over if it's common or proper. Good way to remember that if it has a capital letter. It says type the correct possessive to match the picture, okay? So, it says book. You're going to type in here. You're going to put his book, okay, her book, and then toothbrush, and it's pointing that it's a girl, so you're going to put something to show that it's a girl, her, she, and then Jada, this is her costume, so you got to think of what you're going to put for her costume. If it's her, she, type those in that box. All right, it says type the correct possessive form for each noun based on the sentence. I'm actually going to delete this one because I don't want to give you guys too much, okay? All right, in this next section, this is when you're working on some review for math. So you're going to take these right here, these lines, and you're going to match them, okay? So obviously this is a circle, we know that. So we're going to move this, and you can move this any way that you want. You just move the ends. Just move the ends, maybe. You move the ends to circle to show that it's a match, okay? So all of yours are over here. You'll just have to move that over so that you can see all of them. All right, and then you're going to match the number words. So you're just matching the number words up. So you're just going to put the number words beside each other. So this is 1 right here. I'm just going to move it beside it. Just matching the number words. Same thing, matching the number words. We're working through 11 through 20. and then typing your number word. So look at it and then type it next to the box just like this. Oh, I don't know why I did that though. There we go. That's all you have to do for this one. So filling it out and typing the number words. And then you're going to type these number words 11 through 20. Same thing. All right, this one you're going to match. So you're going to count the dots and then match it with the correct number. Same thing, count the objects and match it with the correct number. We're working through 11 through 20 on both of those. Okay, that is it today, guys. Please let me know if you have any questions or if something doesn't work. Bye.